Hi guys, welcome to level F. Please make sure you have the right worksheet in front of you. Your first image should look like the one on my video right now. So in level F, they're just asking you to find the area of the shaded region. So we have a rectangle and we have a triangle. That triangle is inside my rectangle and it is not shaded. So in order to find only the shaded region, the area, we need to first find the area of our big rectangle around the outside. So let's make that our A. And then our second step is to find the area of our non-shaded region, which is our triangle. So let's make that shape B. So shape A, it's a rectangle, so area equals length times width. Our length is going to be 10 inches times our width, which is 7. So our area for our rectangle is going to be 7D. Now let's look at our triangle, shape B. Since it's a triangle, our area is going to be base times height divided by 2. Our base is 8 inches. So area equals 8 times my height, which is going to be 7 inches. Okay, so 8 times 7 all over 2. So 8 times 7 first, we get 56 divided by 2. 56 divided by 2 gets me an area of 28. Now, we only want to know the area of the shaded region. So we're going to take our 70, which is our big rectangle, and we're going to subtract out our unshaded region, which was the triangle, that had an area of 28. When I do this, 70 minus 28 gets me 42 inches squared. And that's my final answer. So problem number 2, we're doing the same thing, finding the area of the shaded region. In this problem, we have one big square and one rectangle. We see our rectangle is inside our square, and that's our unshaded region. So we're going to start by finding our big square and use that as shape A. And then shape B is going to be our rectangle inside, and that's what we'll subtract out. So let's start with shape A. And it's a square, so our area is going to be A equals length times width. So our length was 20, so area equals 20 times our width, which was 17. And when you do that math, hopefully you get 340. Now for shape B, it's a rectangle, so our area is still length times width. In this one, our length was 5, and our width is 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Now that we have our two areas, we can do our subtractions. So we need to take 340 and subtract 15, our unshaded region, so that we get 325 meters squared is my shaded region. And that's my final answer. There are 2 more problems on the front and 3 more problems on the back. I would like you to try them independently and then check the key when you are finished.